Greetings and salutation. Welcome once again to another director's overview. So we'll jump right into it. This scene is called Surprise, Surprise. I could do a little breakdown.
Yo, Tony and Wam.
Hello, Shappy.
You good?
Yeah, I'm alright. You good?
Yeah, I'm there, man. You know, so you must have wondered how you're not hear from me, you know? But what a style. Just in the country, I get kind of caught up style. And I got do it for another 2 or 3 weeks, so I got beg you. To get an extra hype on the shop there for me, yeah?
Pause for the cause. This is Shappy actually in the country. He's really there. We couldn't get to where he is to do the shoot. So guess what I'm doing? Do the shoot for me. That's one of the things I love about my actors. They understand the assignment and they help us out in whichever way they can. So he's actually there, not able to come into Kingston to do the shoot as often as we would want him to. So I'm giving him image so we can keep him current in the thing. And I want people to understand that, actors are around us. Some people there for a longer period, some people there for a shorter period. But you have to understand that people come and people all go. And what you can do is just keep supporting them. You get what I say? So I just needed to get that out there. All right? Support all the actors, whether they're on our platform or other platforms. See?
And you could have to work hard on a couple of days after. But I send a brother to come link you and talk to you. Just in case you need anything from the wholesale and anything they can just shout him and come pick up and deliver to the shop for me. You know, nice to give him a shout here. I just want to see you good.
So Shappy is playing the good boss. The boss, so even though he's not present, him still make sure so everything around the right way.
Alright, Shappy.
I always have to make mention about the use of sounds, the things that make you know what the mood of the scene is. It's very important to every scene because that is what tells you, if it's a happy-go-lucky mood, if it's something that is dramatic, if it's something that is frightening. That's the importance of the music. The music bed is very important. And how the actors flow through with their movements when there's nothing being said. All who believes that Tonian is growing as an actress, like her character is growing, make sure you say it in the comment below.
Hi Tony, this is Rupert, aka Reds, your ex-boyfriend. I'm just saying hi, hope you're doing fine. I'm working as a sanitation engineer and supervisor. I'm working on a number of operations around Kingston. I hope we can meet today or one day, sometime this week, so we can sit and have a nice talk. You've been on my mind.
So before the action, we get the facial expression. Tony and I tell you exactly what you think about that message from Reds without even saying a word.
Sanitation engineer. That kind of rubbish truck worker.
Oh, and let me clear the air. Red's calling himself a sanitation engineer, and Tonian saying like on a rubbish truck you work on is in no way, shape or form disrespecting the persons who work with the sanitation thing, with people who work on rubbish truck. We know their importance, and this is no way, shape or form belittling what they do. See? So that again, I needed to get out there. So these are what we call establishing shots. We're re-establishing Reds in the episode or in the scene. So we have to get the
You
little
know you have to keep them in
mystery
the
there.
freezer so they don't spoil, right?
People know say Reds, you know, but you have to get a little mysterious thing. Showing him foot
Yeah, come
first,
down here today?
just showing him moving before you actually show him
No,
face.
Curry, me not miss you. I'm gonna finish doing me and do, alright.
When you realize the subtle development between Kareem and Tonian, it's really subtle and not really jarring. Them not rush into things. Them a work from a business perspective, and it's respectful. The music star, believe me. Easy Reds.
Hello, Tonian.
Reds!
I believe in your soul.
What y'all do here?
Pass the cause. Again, as a director, you have to find ways for jolt your audience and make them wonder, what? Now, only know the story between Reds and Tonian and how people really hated that union and wanted Reds to be, out our life. So if I see him turn up now and see Tonian rush out to him and hug him, I know that people ever wonder, what go on? Tonian and mad, she really, I go back to Reds the kind of way that what she again that heal there. But then, all of it was in Red's head. So we just jolt to audience with that for keeping on toes. You saw it? Let's continue.
Tonian, I came to see you.
How you know it's part of my work, Reds?
Well, some of the things that you post on TikTok, I look and saw the shop and I asked around for the dancehall deli.
A number of persons made this comment in the
So what you want now, Reds?
in the comment section
You got my voice
saying be careful what
Yes,
you
Reds,
post
me get
on
it.
TikTok,
Say y'all work part
because
of
that is
shop
one of the
now.
things where we give away your
No,
location.
I'm a
And
sanitation
this was a
engineer.
prime example. I did that
Alright,
on
Jess.
purpose.
Alright. You're a sanitation engineer.
Tonian, is what? You hate me that much? You can't come outside, come have a conversation with me?
So this is Tonian trying to be civil. She grew over the couple of months, so she's trying to be civil.
Look what I brought for you. Is what I'm Tonian?
Reds, all of me did there.
5 years. I think about you every day.
And you don't remember say me allergic to flowers?
This is showing when people say them change. Them really change. If it's somebody where you know for in a long period of time, sometimes people pretend to change, get back in a circle. But then once you start understand yourself and start know more about yourself, then when people come back around you, it is easy to figure out whether or not them actually change. And that is what Tony and I realize say. That brother, him not change. Until the next one, see you on the other side. Enough respect.